Hello students, let's do some questions of exercise 8.2. This is question number 1, part 3, cos 45 degree. Students, you have to learn these values. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 upon sec 30. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos, what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cos sec 30. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then cosec 30 is 2 by 1. You can write it as only 2. 1 by root 2 upon. Take the LCM root 3. Here we get 2 plus 2 root 3. Got it? Now, we have fraction in both numerator and denominator. First write numerator. Then reciprocate the denominator. Root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. We have roots in the denominator. We cannot keep roots in denominator. Write it again. Take out 2 common from here. 1 plus root 3 remains in the bracket into root 2. Now what we have to do? We will rationalize it. Rationalize with, we will keep the 2 here, root 2. Here we have 1 plus root 3. We will rationalize it with 1 minus root 3 upon root 2 into 1 minus root 3. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. 1 minus root 3 upon. Here we have 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 1 plus root 3 and 1 minus root 3. A plus B, A minus B. A का whole square minus B का whole square. 1 square minus root 3 whole square. What will you get? Root 6. 1 minus root 3 upon 4. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. You will get minus 8. Root 6 minus root 18. We have taken root 6 inside upon minus 8. We will take minus in the numerator. This is root 18 minus root 6 upon 8. What is root 18? 9 into 2. This is 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This is the answer. Got it? Students, pause the video and note it down. Let's do next. Question number 1, part 4, NCERT exercise 8.2. Sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees upon sec 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. What you have to do? You have to put the values. What is sine 30? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 upon sec 30 reciprocal of cos 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Clear? Now take denominator 2 root 3. Here we have 2. We will write root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 upon denominator will be 2 root 3. What will you get? 2 into 2, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 get cancelled. Now just see students, this is root 3 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 can be written as 1 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3. Now we have roots in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it so that we don't get roots in the denominator. Denominator is 4 plus 3 root 3. We will rationalize it with 4 minus 3 root 3. Now what you have to do? Multiply 3 root 3 with first with 4, then with 3 root 3. Then we multiply 4 with this and with this. 3 root 3 into 4, 12 root 3 minus 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 27 minus 4 into 4, 16 plus 4 3s are 12 root 3 upon 4 plus 3 root 3 minus 4 minus 3 root 3. This is 4 का whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3, 24 root 3 minus का 27 and minus का 16. You will get minus 43 upon 4 का square 16 minus 3 root 3 whole square. 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 27. 16 minus 27 minus 11. We will write plus 11 and minus we will take in the numerator. This is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This is the answer. Hope you got it. Pause the video and note it down. We will do next part. Part 5. 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 sec square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees upon sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Now 5 cos square 60 degrees. I have already told you that cos square 60 degree means cos 60 का whole square. 5 into what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into sec 30 degree. What is sec 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 whole square minus what is tan 45? 1. Tan square 45 1 का square upon sin square 30 degree. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear? This is 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 का whole square 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Clear? Take LCM. 4 3s are 12. This is 5 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Plus 3 4s are 12. 16 into 4. 64. Minus 12. Upon LCM is 4. 1 plus 3. 4 by 4. That is 1. 15 plus 64 minus 12. 67 by 12 is the answer. Hope you got it. Note it down. We will do next in the next class. Thank you.